Good morning, all of you. I Razia Pathan from Language Vidya with Standard 3rd. So, students, today we'll start practice long division method. In that, page worksheet number 22. Yesterday we'll completed question number first. Divide the following in your notebook using the long division method. Now we'll start today question number second. Divide the following in your notebook using the long division method. That things we are doing now. Okay. So in that, first one sum is 560 divided by 5. 560 divided by 5. So in that, we'll start that sum. First sum is 560 divided by 5. In that, here we have to write worksheet number 22, question number second, A1 sum. 560 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Bringing down 1. Division is not possible. We'll put 0 here. Bringing down now 6. 5 5s are 15. 6 minus 5, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So here, we have to write here answer. Answer. Q is equal to, quotient is equal to 105, remainder is equal to 0, 1. Now, look at these sums everyone and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute, you have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start next one sum, B1 sum. In that, 965 divided by 7. So here 965 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. 9 minus 7. 7 then 8 and 9. We have to write here 2. Bringing down 6. Next number is 26. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. So we use 7 3s are 21. 6 minus 1, 5. 2 minus 2, 0. Bringing down here 5. Next number is a 55. Next number is a 55. So in that, 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56 is there. So here we have to write 7 7s are 49. 7 7s are 49. 9 minus 5 is possible, not possible. Cut 5, write here 4. Cut 5, write here 15. 15 minus 9, 15 on your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30, 40 and 15. Cut 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Remaining number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Answer is 6. 4 minus 4, 0. So here we have to write the answer. Q is equal to 137. R is equal to 0, 6. Now look at this sum everyone and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute, you have to complete your work. And you have to write all the sums in your notebook because we need more and more practice so that Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start next one sum. Next one sum is 612 divided by 3. So in that we have to write 612 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 6 minus 6 0. Will bringing down here 1. Division is not possible. Put here 0. Bringing down next number 2. 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12. 2 minus 2 0. 1 minus 1 0. So here we have to write the answer. Q is equal to constant is equal to 204 and remainder is equal to 0. Now this one is the answer. Write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute students. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start next one, D1 sum. Same method we'll use. 816 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6. 8 minus 6. 8 on your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cut 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remain number is a 1 and 2. So we have to write here 2. Now bringing down 1. Next number is a 21. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 threes are 18 is there. 1 minus 8 is not possible. Cut 2. Write here 1. Cut 1, write here 11. 11 minus 8, 11 on your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Cut 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remain number is 1, 2 and 3. So we'll write here 3. 1 minus 1, 0. Now we'll bringing down here 6. Next number is a 36. 6 6 the 36. So 6 minus 6 0. 3 minus 3 0. Answer is remainder is a 0. So here we have to write the answer. Answer is equal to 136. Q is equal to 136. Remainder is equal to 0. Now look at this everyone and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. So you have to complete your work. Then we'll start next one sum. I'll give you 1 minute. So you have to complete your work. Okay. Okay students, so I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start next one sum, E1 sum. 943 divided by 7. In that 943 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. 9 minus 7. 9 on your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Cut 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So answer is 2. Now we'll bringing down 4. We'll bringing down 4. Next number is a 24. 7 fours are 28. 7 threes are 21. So we'll write here 21. 4 minus 1, 3. 2 minus 2, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Now bringing down here 3. Next number is a 33. 7 5s are 35. 7 4s are 28. So we'll use here 28. 3 minus 8 is not possible. So what we have to do, we'll cut the 2. 3, write it here 2. Cut 3, write it here 30. 13 on your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30. cut 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we write the remain number is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have to write here 5. 2 minus 2, 0. So our answer, what was the answer is there? Answer is equal to Q is equal to 134 and R is equal to 0, 5. So correct answer is a Q is equal to 134 and our remainder is a 5. Now look at this sums everyone and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1.5 minutes. You have to complete it. Okay. Okay students, so I hope so your work is complete. Next sum will start now. F1 sum is a 614 divided by 2. 640 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 6, 0. Bringing down 4. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Now we will bringing down 0. Division is not possible. 4 here 0. So answer Q is equal to 320. Remainder is equal to 0. Now we will start next sum, G1 sum. In that 203 is there, divide by 9. So we'll start that. 203 divide by 9. 9 3s are 80. 9 3s are 80. 0 minus 8 is not possible. Cut 1. Cut 2, right here 1. Cut 0, right here 10. 10 minus 8, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. Bringing down here 3. 9 3s are 27 is there. 9 2s are 80. We'll use that only. 3 minus 8 is not possible. Cut 1, cut 2, put here 1. Cut 3, put here 30. Now 13 minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30. 13 on your finger. Cut 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So remain number is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. What we have to write here? 5. And then 1 minus 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So answer is equal to Q is equal to 22 and remainder is equal to 0, 5. Now look at both the sums everyone. Now first you look at this sums. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Then I'll show you another sum. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete it. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now I'll show you next one sum. Look at this sums and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you half a minute. You have to complete it. Okay. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start next one sum. H1 sum will start now. So in that 300 divide by 8. Here we have to write 300 divided by 8. 8 fours are 32 is there. So 8 threes are 24. 0 minus 4 is not possible. Cut 3, write it here 2. Cut 0, write it here 10. 10 minus 4, 6 is there. 2 minus 2, 0. Now we will bringing down here 0. Next number is a 16 is there. Next number is a 16 is there. So 8 sevens are 56. 8 sevens are 56. 0 minus 6 is not possible. Cut 6, write here 5. Cut 0, write here 10. 10 minus 6, 4 is there. 10 minus 6, 4 is there. 5 minus 4, 0 is there. So here answer is equal to 37. Q is equal to 37 and R is equal to 0, 4. R is equal to 0, 4. Now I'll give you 1 minute everyone. You have to complete your work. And your homework is, what was your homework is there? You have to complete the question number 2nd, worksheet number 22, question number 2nd. We already done about the add to add sums. Now your homework is remain, those who are remain sum is that you have to complete it and write it down in your notebook and send it to us before 3 o'clock. Before 3 o'clock आप लोगों को homework यो हमें submit करवाना है. Okay everyone, without forget it, you have to submit the homework before 3 o'clock. Now complete your work first. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Bye everyone, have a nice day.